Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azan Areseto. Today I'll be working on a 2004 Toyota Camry. The owner wants me to replace this stock stereo with an Android car stereo. So first of all, I have to take this out. To take this out, you just remove this. Remove this. When you are done, there are 4 screws that are holding the head unit. We'll remove it. Now it has been removed. There are clips here, so we'll remove this. Now there are 2 jumbo screws here and 2 inside. You can take a look at it. So a total of 4 screws holding the car stereo. Okay, they have been removed now. So now it has been removed. This other tool was from these are the air these two is the air control, while this is for the sound system. So what we are going to do now is we are going to remove the air vent here, and we are going to fix it in a new car stereo. So this is the car stereo. So we are going to remove the vent here, and I'm going to fix it here. So all things are needed to be done.
What do you mean by waiting happen?
Please, I finally transferred the air vent from the stock radio trim to this. So this is for the speakers. This harness for the speaker. This harness for the power supply. This stereo control. This was also
10,000. How many liters?
This is the.
How many liters? 10,000.
This for audio input, audio output. That is it for the camera. So I will mount it. I'll fix it back. When I'm done,
the bar before
we'll test.
The last one. Cool.
So we'll be testing the car. Let's go to radio station.
kó lè tọ́jú ẹ̀ dọjọ́ alẹ́ má dá sọ̀rọ̀ wọn pé ìyàwó tó fẹ́ mi ò láìkí ẹ̀ ọkọ tó mú.
Let's look for video how to play. Let's look for. So everything is working well. Everything is working well. So what is left now? I will just finally dress it, put this USB port, put it out here, and set up everything and assemble it back. So the car stereo has been finally fixed. Everything is okay. See, everything is because of copyright issues. I'll just only play for a brief minute. Video. Then for the cast for the.
I'm integrate àwọn kata máa nílò láti ṣe pẹpẹ bàbá kó tó di pé ní ready.
So this is Azan Arez Auto. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my video. And remember to hit the notification bell for new content. Thank you for watching.